It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. All right, y'all, we got our first Fashionphile purchase. We have our first Preloved purchase. Now, I have said before that I didn't know how I felt about buying Preloved handbags. However, these prices are getting ridiculous, okay? My goddamn Gucci Blondie top handle, when I bought it, and I think, what did I buy it at the beginning of the year or something like that, or maybe the end of last year? It was $19.50, all right? Now that's expensive, obviously, but $19.50 is like, okay, it's $2,300 now. What? Did the leather change? What's going on here? I don't know, okay? So as far as I'm concerned, I was forced into buying Preloved. Listen, the right thing to do is stop supporting these motherfuckers, okay? That's the right thing to do. And that's probably what we should do. Obviously, I'm not doing that today because I got a handbag today. But, my fight against the man was buying this bag. Power to the goddamn people. Anyway, this is my first Fashionphile. It's actually technically not my first Fashionphile purchase. I purchased my Louis Vuitton, whatever the hell y'all want to call it, my strap for my Alma BB. So that was my first purchase. This is my first handbag purchase, and my first Preloved handbag purchase. So let's get right into the video, but before we do, I want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, go ahead and click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Let's get into the outfit of the day, baby. Now, if you watched my last video, you would have seen all these pieces, but now we got them on. Hello. First, we have this off-the-shoulder Aritzia shirt. Got it in an extra small. Y'all not finna tell me that she's not giving femme fatale. Y'all not finna tell me that I'm not with my off-the-shoulder top, okay? Titties hanging low, but you can't tell no more. You understand what I mean? Then I have them paired with my Joe's jeans. We did get them, these are boot cut. Remember I told y'all that in the last video. We did get them hemmed so that they fit well with the boots that I have on. And do they fit well? Baby, do they fit well, all right? Then we have those, and the jeans, I got a 26. Then I have that paired with my Aritzia belt. Gorgeous. And I have them styled with these Vince Camuto wedge boots and my LV belt bag, but I'm wearing it as like a shoulder bag. Baby, y'all gonna see this look again in my styling video. Y'all will see this look again because you need to see it again, time and time again, as far as I'm concerned, because she's like that. She's good. Chef's kiss. But it's not about the look, it's about the bag. So let's go there. Now, y'all know I'm long-winded, and in every video I say, oh, I'm gonna make this short, and then the video's 45 minutes, okay? Bitch can't tell the truth to save her life. But I have good intentions. This bag, I want y'all to guess what bag it is, right? And I know y'all probably thinking, Angelle, Fashionphile sells thousands of bags from hundreds of different brands. Bitch, how we supposed to guess? Hold on, now I'm gonna give you a clue. The brand is Fendi. Now, I want y'all to pause the video, comment down below, and let me know what your guess is. The brand is Fendi. What do you think the bag is? Can we cue the Jeopardy music? To Alex Trebek, we miss you, boo. Anyway, let's get right into it. Now, if you guessed the Fendi baguette, you would be wrong. And it's the wrong answer. Now, hold on now. If you guessed the Fendi Sunshine, you would be wrong. Come on, now, I ain't no sunshine fitting in this goddamn box. If you guessed the Fendi Fendography, obviously you're new to the channel. I already got that one. I already have that bag. What are you talking about? I already have that one. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you. I know y'all probably scratching your head and thinking, well, what the fuck could the bag be? Unless you know. Because, you know, Fendi ain't got that goddamn many cute bags. But let me stop playing around. Let's go ahead and pull her out. Ugh. Okay. Now, all Fashionphile purchases, hold on, come with like this little emery board. So there's that. And there's like little confetti in the bag. Child, we don't need none of that. We're here for the goods. Now, I feel like you can tell from the shape. Now, if you guessed the Fendi first, you would be correct. Here is our new baby, our new beauty. We have a Fendi first. This is in the size small. The condition on this bag was excellent, and it is in the color midnight blue is what it said on Fashionphile, but it looks navy to me. Apparently I'm not a color linguist. When we open her up, the strap is in the inside. We have the little Fashionphile tag here. It says Fendi, shiny, Napa, small, Fendi first. And then there is also this like little Fendi tag. Okay, now listen. When this bag first came out, I thought it was adorable. I said, oh my God, I want that. I saw the price and I said, oh my God, I'm not buying that. I cannot afford that. What the fuck? $3,000. You can kiss my ass. Yet and still I did want the bag, but you know, I could not afford to pay $3,000 at the time, and to be honest, even if I could, I just don't know if I would have. This bag still retails for $3,100 and I think $90 or $50. I will insert the price on the screen. However, I paid $17.50 with tax and Expedia shipping, because you know I need my shit immediately. With tax and Expedia shipping, I end up paying $19.25.78. Now, mind you, this little ass bag, that's a lot of money for this little ass bag, but y'all, look how she fit up. Look how she fit up under the shoulder. When I tell you this is like the perfect size for my little frame, and the fact that it's a clutch that comes with a crossbody strap makes it perfect for me. Not just that. So let me tell y'all what Fendi does right. I don't feel like people talk about this enough. What Fendi does right is straps. Fendi does straps right for little bitches. Cause y'all can't see it. Maybe I'll insert like a clip, but the way this falls crossbody, not saying that I would necessarily wear it crossbody, but the way this falls crossbody or even on the shoulder, like my God, it's perfect for somebody small like myself. I'm only 5 feet. Anyway, it was excellent condition, and to be honest, I really don't see anything wrong with the bag. There is creasing here, and I think they had like some corner or edge wear, but I'm gonna be honest, y'all, I don't see it. There's an indentation there. The plastic sticker is still on the bag and intact on the gold. There is some scratches like in the inside on like the hardware here, but I mean, who cares about that? I mean, we ain't wearing the bag open, okay? But everything else just looks great. it looks great. And the fact that I paid 17 versus 3,100, I apologize, that's the people out there, you know, doing their job. And I have been looking for a navy bag. Y'all know I have been looking for a navy bag. Remember the navy tracksuit? I mentioned in that video that a navy bag. I've been looking for a navy bag for months. And this one, how you doing? Cause let me tell you something. Y'all know what Clutch gives to me? Clutch gives like fashion girly. Clutch is like when a bitch is out in public on a Tuesday or a Wednesday with a clutch. Oh, that bitch know what she doing. She does this for real, not for play. And that's finna be it. With the F under my sleeve. Like, come on now, stop playing with me. I really do love it. Again, this is a size small. I love it. I love it. Now I will say this. This is heavy. This bag is heavy. On God, you can knock a bitch out with this. Let a nigga try me. Try me, okay? And the F will be in her grill. In her grill. Bam! Okay, you could cause damage, okay? These feel like this. Look, part when you're holding it, like, baby, this feels like brass knuckles. Okay? This is not a game. But anyway, y'all know I don't necessarily do like dimensions and stuff like that, girl. Go look up the bag. But I will tell you what fits in here because that's what's important. So I'm gonna grab my essentials really quick. Let's see what fits. Now, y'all know I don't carry much, right? But I do carry my phone. And even though most of the time my phone is in my hand, I still feel like it's necessary that this motherfucker could fit in the bag, okay? And she does fit in the bag. I would probably suggest putting her in there first though. Next, we have my card holder, fits. We got some little sunglasses, because typically I do have sunglasses on me. All right, it fits, but we getting tight. Let's keep on working though. Y'all know I carry me a little pin at all times, child. Just a little slide, a little pin on up in there. Chapstick or lip gloss, we can throw that in there. Still seems like we got closage going on. Last but not least, we have the AirPods, and then I have my keys. So they fit. This is typically what I carry on me every day. This is literally what I pulled out my bag yesterday. I pulled out my Valentino Roman stud, which I wore yesterday. I pulled all of it. They hating on me. Red hating on me. They really give a fuck but you skate. How that shit go? What it is? You ain't heard it, no. Oh, that's Soldier Slim. That's Soldier Slim. Yeah. They hating on me. But yeah, it all fits in there just fine. I could probably fit one more thing, but you know, one more thing and that motherfucker better be slim, okay? But yeah, all of the essentials, my everyday essentials, at least fit. So I'm happy. Now I will say this bag did not come with the original Fendi dust bag, and that was a little sad, a little disappointing, but I mean it is what it is. If I had to pay what, the extra almost $2,000 just for the dust bag, I'll pass. I'll take it out the dust bag. But again, it doesn't matter what you purchase from Fashionphile, you always will get a dust bag from them. So we just gonna keep it in here. I'm wearing it today, so I'm gonna change. I'm gonna change. Okay, I got some work to do. I'm gonna change. So don't worry about me. Even though who can't wear navy and black? I can't, not like this. But y'all, that's enough. Let me stop playing around. Let me know what y'all think of the bag. Do you have a Fendi first? Is a Fendi first on your wish list? I am going to be doing my luxury handbag wish list sometime in December. It won't be much. As far as I think 2 or 3 bags, but yeah, that's all I got. Comment down below. Let me know if you have ever shopped at Fashionphile. It was a very easy process. I didn't like reserve it or anything, even though they do reserve like where you can like pay in 4 payments, and then once you finish paying, they'll ship it to you. I just bought it out and it is here. from my experience thus far, I would say 10 out of 10 recommend. Order the bag on Sunday night, got it Tuesday. So she's a happy camper. But y'all, that's all I got. Don't have no more. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the bag. What is a bag on your luxury wish list? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well at Angelle's Life, and on TikTok at Angelleslife. Like the video if you like the video. Again, subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell to be notified when I upload more. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.